That's entanglement.
So what entangles them?
The rules of physics.
Okay, that doesn't. That's not. Stop it.
That's just the end
You
of this
can't
interview.
do
Get him out of here.
That's my mother saying because I said so. That's what that. Mom, why can't I have ice cream for breakfast? Because I said so. That's why.
What law of physics prescribes this?
Quantum mechanics. That's the nature of quantum mechanics. It's sort of that. This is how science works. You sort of conjecture an idea, then you say, is that right or not? And so in quantum mechanics, the fundamental way things work is that the state of the universe is a vector in Hilbert space, which means that the combined state of every particle in the universe and every field and everything is described by one single mathematical object. And in fact, I don't like the word entanglement because it kind of, it makes it hard to update your intuition. It makes it sound like what really exists are these two particles, and you measure one, and you're like, why did the other one change? If you just accept that what exists is the combined quantum state of everything in the universe, then it's no surprise at all that when you look at a little bit of it, it affects the rest.
Okay, but
interesting.
Can I just take two random particles?
Okay, that's. Yeah. I gotta admit that makes a lot of sense.
Can I take two random particles that were not born together and entangle them?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Entanglement happens whenever you have two objects that are not entangled, but they interact with each other in different ways depending on different parts of their wave function. So let me just give you a down-to-earth example. Schrodinger's cat. You've heard about this. Schrodinger, who apparently didn't like cats, goes to a great amount of thought experiment effort to put a cat in a superposition.
That's right. That would have never worked with Schrodinger's dog.
No,
that would not have flown.
Schrodinger's daughter
people wouldn't have had it.
Said that he didn't like cats.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, this is why he picked the cat. So it's in a superposition of alive and dead. I'm a cat person, so in my version, they're a superposition of awake and asleep.
Oh,
it's very sweet. You don't have to kill the cat.
You don't have to kill it.
I didn't know you didn't have to kill the cat.
The point is, you don't have to kill the cat, but the point is they're different places in the box. Okay, and what that means is that everything in the box, the air, the light, everything moving around in the background interacts differently with the awake cat running around trying to get out and the asleep cat just snoring peacefully on the ground.